Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to install OneDrive client or OneDrive business client to an existing Office 365 installed computer. So let's take a look at my test machine here. I do have Office 365 installed, as you can see here. And so I have Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, but I don't have OneDrive client. I do not have OneDrive for business client. Let's go ahead and do that. So I created an XML file here. It's to add the OneDrive client. I'm putting in this line here. Include ID is OneDrive, and the product ID is Office 365. This is all you need to do. Let's go ahead and install that. I'm going to run the command line. So here's the command line. It's setup.exe space slash configure OneDrive dash x86 XML. So this will add OneDrive client. Let's go ahead and click OK. Confirm. So I just want to show you that you do not have to remove the existing Office 365 and then reinstall Office 365 in order to get OneDrive client. All you have to do is just make that special, add that command line to your config file. Once this Windows is closed, it should complete. Let's search to see if it's already installed. Nope, not yet. I'm going to pause the video. I think it's going to take a few minutes, but I'm just go ahead and pause the video. All right, look like it has been completed. Let's go take a look. Search for OneDrive. As you can see here, OneDrive for Business. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel will cover Office 365, Azure Active Directory, anything related to configuration manager, SCCM, or applications deployment, even Windows 10 deployment. Thank you very much. Have a good day.